What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good morning and welcome to this video in which we'll talk about the VRA token, or as most of you might prefer to call it, Verasity. We'll talk about it because it has been massively bullish even today, even after I made my analysis. So this is going to be a little bit of a live analysis. We shot up in price. We were only up, like I did the analysis right here when we just breached a major resistance level as well, around half a cent. But now we've actually gone all the way up to 0.75 cents. We're up 50%. Volume is amazing. So yeah, Verasity has been very bullish. And the thing is that first I kind of wanted to talk about why this is happening. Because if you take a look at where the volume is coming from, sure, there's some Korean volume, which usually indicates some sort of a pump and dump, something like that at least. But apart from that, most of the other volume is actually coming from credible sources. KuCoin, which is the biggest exchange where you can buy Verasity, which is also where I bought it. Quick disclaimer, I bought Verasity. I'm not in profit, but still. So KuCoin, OKX, Gate.io, some from Indonesia, that's not bad either. MaxC, Crypto.com. So it's pretty, to me it's miraculous where this is coming from, because if you take a look at Verasity, all right, well, they have been very trending over the last week. I covered them earlier this week, as you can see, so there is some hype. I think in the price, they released their roadmap not too long ago, which I felt like also made it a little bit more bullish here, the 17th, so 3 days ago. But apart from that, it's just there hasn't been any big news surrounding Verasity. They're really zooming in on how right now it's very trending, which could be the reason for a move like this. It could very well be. I mean, it's crypto in the end, but it seems a little bit too hyped up, which is obviously obviously not a great thing for the price on the long term. On the short, well, it's not that bad either, but it's you should be careful. All right, that's what I'm trying to say. So right now, what I actually want to do is, well, the first thing we need to do, because this is a live analysis, is we need to find a strong resistance level. Where could the level be where we will find our last resistance? And I would argue that there's quite a big chance that we just touched it. There's this major key level, which you can also see on the chart right here, around 0.75 cents, which is a big psychological resistance level. 75, 50, which is now half a cent. 1 cent and also 0.25 cents are all big psychological resistance levels. Apart from that, it's also a strong technical level. So that could actually be the level that is going to be our top. All right, it could very well be. There's only one reason in which we could find out. Well, that's always with cryptos that are trending like this. The only way in which we could make a new higher high, which for Verasity would probably be around 0.9 cents. This level between 0.87 and 0.9 cents. The only way to do that is to hold the levels you broke above. And for Verasity, there's one very, very strong level we would then need to stay above and still break above, because this candle hasn't closed and it isn't closing for 3 more hours. And that level is this level right here, between, excuse me, 0.62 cents and 0.59 cents. If we can actually stay on top of that, find support there, and then break above 0.68 cents again. So it's pretty difficult, but just replay it if you want to hear it again. Then I think we can get there. Then I think we can make a new higher high, which would be very miraculous, because we already touched, as I said, a major resistance level. This is the only way. Do I think this is the most likely scenario right now? To be honest with you, no. I think it's more likely that sure, we might still break above 0.6 and 0.59 cents, but that we cannot hold it, and definitely not break above 0.68 cents again, and that we will drop down. Have a bearish breakout through 0.59 cents, find some support at around 0.55, but then continue to fall down to at least half a cent, and this level right here at around 0.45 cents. And from there, I'll be back with another update on it to see whether we can get a second rally or whether we can continue the uptrend from there. But I think this is more likely, given this price action, given my experience with coins moving like this. It's not impossible to do something like this, definitely not, but I would argue this is like a 25% chance and this is like a 75% chance. All right. So that's my take on Verasity this morning. Live analysis. So if you do have any questions or anything, or I missed something, let me know. But for now, take care. Enjoy your Friday, and bye.